art is a very powerful means for bringing people together, regardless of their race, their nationality, their religion, or everything. This is a kind of factor that can unify everybody and pass the messages. It softens the hearts, and it is what we need to have some solidarity in our lives. So absolutely, we were really touched by the performance of your team.
Why don't you ask about me? Am I not your brother? No one helps me, no one comforts me. You can be tried by hardship, but forgetting your brother does no honor. Time flies with his regrets. I don't hate you. It's always better to have a brother. No, don't tell me you have chosen loneliness. If you exist, you are here with your false promises, while I'm always looking for you. Would you be so cruel if we were born from the same blood? Now I have nothing, because in this life I have found nothing. If I am patient, it doesn't mean that I am full.
Cosa giubileo senza ritornelli?
Va bene, giubileo.
E poi dopo facciamo senza ritornelli, eh? Sì. Grazie.